Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to stop your Mac from sleeping when closing the lid. So step one, by the way, we will use two commands to either stop the Mac from sleeping when closing the lid, and also how to reenable sleep. So first we need to open the Mac terminal. So to do this, you can either search for terminal from here, and this is the terminal, or you can open it from the applications folder. So first click on Finder, go to Applications, now scroll down to Utilities, and here look for the terminal. This is it, double click it, and it will open. Now to stop your Mac from sleeping when closing the lid, simply write this command on your terminal. I will put it in this video description, like this. Copy here and paste here and hit enter. You will ask you for your password. Type it. Even if you don't see your password typing, it doesn't mean that you are not typing it. Type it and hit enter, like this. And now I will close the lid. Open the lid, and my MacBook still working, and even the screen recording is not stopped. Now to enable the default settings, use the second command, like this, and now you re-enabled sleep when closing the lid. And this is how to stop your Mac from sleeping when closing the lid. If I forgot to add those two commands in this video description, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.